This video is going to be page 4 of your review sheet. So for the first part, you're translating expressions. So we have 6 less than twice a number. We're going to do some highlighting. 6 less than means to take 6 away from. Twice a number means 2 times a number. So that would be written as 2x minus 6, and I'm just going to highlight which part is which. So twice a number is your 2x, and your minus 6 is your 6 less than. I'll leave the highlights there. So for B, it says the sum of 18 and a number. Sum means to add. 18 and a number is just going to be 18 and x. So we have the sum of 18 and a number can either be 18 plus x or x plus 18. They are the same thing. So again, let's highlight what each part is. You have your 18 here or here. Then you have your sum is your addition, and your number is x. The next one is twice the sum of a number and 4. So the sum of a number and 4 goes together. Twice is when you multiply by 2. So we're going to set that up as 2 times the sum of a number and 4. So the sum of a number and 4 would be x plus 4. So again, twice is your 2. The sum of a number and 4 is x plus 4. 2 times a number increased by 4. 2 times a number would be 2 times x. Increased by 4 would be that you're adding 4. So that would be represented as 2x plus 4. Here's your 2 times a number. Oops. Here's your 2 times the number, and then here's your increase by 4, which is plus 4. The last one is a little longer. We have the product of a number and 2 increased by 3. So let's start highlighting. Product of a number and 2 increased by 3 is equal to 5 less than twice a number. Okay, so product of a number and 2 would be 2x, or 2 times x, increased by 3 is plus 3, means equal to 5 less than twice a number. So remember, 5 less than twice a number would be written as 2x minus 5. And let's highlight which part is which. So here is your twice the number with your 5 less than. Here's your product of the number and 2 increased by 3. And that would be your final answer. For number 5, the formula for the area of a trapezoid is A equals 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2. Express B1 in terms of A, H, and B2. So we want to isolate B1. So our first step is let's just write that equation all over again. So we have A equals 1/2 H times B1 plus B2. Okay, first thing I notice is I want to get rid of that fraction in the front. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, which is 2 over 1, or just 2. That'll allow me to cancel those out, and it's 2a equals the height times b1 plus b2. Now remember, you're trying to isolate or solve for b1. So my next step would be to divide by the height. I'm going to move it over here. So that gives me 2a over the height equals b1 plus b2. And then we can subtract b2 from both sides to isolate or solve for b sub 1. So this is not going to look pretty. It's just going to be 2a over h minus b sub 2 equals b sub 1. So That is your value for B sub 1 in terms of A, H, and B sub 2. So the next part says the area of a trapezoid is 60. We're going to rewrite our little formula here for B1. So B1 is 2A over the height minus B2. And we're going to highlight. So it tells us that the area is 60, which means that's what I'm going to plug in for A. Then it says that the height is 6. So that's what I'm going to plug in for H. It says one base is 12. So that's what I'm going to plug in for base 2. And it wants us to find the other base. So once you plug all of those in, plug in your 60 for H, for A, your 6 for H, and your 12 for your base, you would plug that all into your calculator. So you end up getting, when you plug that into your calculator, 8, and then you have to label, they're talking in feet. So that is your final answer.